Hello again, everyone. Today I want to show you how to cut a selected part of a video using YouTube Movie Maker. Now, a lot of us have videos of our family, of birthday parties, of our pets, or trips that we've been on. And you can select any part of those videos and save it as a Jpeg image, or select a few frames of those videos and save them as an animated GIF file. As I have said in other videos, I am no expert when it comes to this program. So I'm just making this video for newbies using this software and to show you another great feature in this free program. Now, the images or animation GIFs that you capture and save will be the original size or format of the video. By the way, I'm using this YouTube Movie Maker video screen capture to make this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we need a video. We're going to go up here to the left corner, click on this plus button, and we can click on Import Video. But instead of doing that, I'm going to come over here and grab it in this folder and drag it into the program. Okay, now let's right click on that, add to video line. Down here on the video line, we're going to right click on that and click on Cut Selected Item. And now that will import the audio and the video. Now over to the right here, we can enable or disable the sound, just clicking on that. We can also change the audio pitch up or down. Okay, let's go ahead and make a JPEG image. Okay, I'm going to go over here to the left, and I'm just going to grab this, and let's see if I can get to the right spot. And nope, want to go a little bit farther, I think. Oops. That's good enough. And let's go to this box with the camera in it, click on that, and save this as the intro. And let's overwrite it. Yes. And let's create another image. And let's choose this one here. And we're going to click on the camera box again. And this is going to be JPEG 2. Let's save this. Overwrite. Okay. Now, let's create an animated GIF. We're going to grab this, and we're going to go over here. And we're going to click on Set as Start for the beginning of the animation. And here we can capture all of the all the way to the end, which would be kind of long for an animated GIF, or we can capture 1, 5, 10 frames at a time, or let's just click on one frame at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then over here, let's click Set as End. And let's go over to the left, click on GIF, and save this as a dog GIF. Okay. Overwrite. And it's building that GIF. Already done. Close. And let's go ahead and make another GIF. This while we can here. And let's start right here. And let's set a start. And then we can go ahead and click and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And set to end. And let's go over to the left, click on the GIF box, and make it number 2. Yes. And now it's building that. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what we have here now. Right click on the dog GIF we made. Looks pretty good, huh? And let's click on the second GIF and see how that looks. Looks good too. And let's take a look at one of the images. Open. The intro. That looks pretty good. And let's look at the second image. See how that looks. And that looks good. Okay, so pretty easy. And just, trial and error. Hope this helps you out. And if this did help you and you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and more videos are coming. And I want to thank you for watching, and have a nice day.